nothing beats like this beautiful weather out here in Florida. Look how beautiful this is. I love it out here. Check out those color on this Maserati Levante. Look at that. That is a really, really nice color. And the interior, if you look in there, look at that. I like this Modena. Guys, we're here at dinner. A place called The Diner here in Naples, Florida. And I love this town. This is where I want to retire, in Naples, Florida. But what do you guys think about that Maserati and that color? I like it. Very cool green. And I'm super hungry, so I can't wait for my food. It should be here in about, I don't know, a few minutes or so. But stay tuned, okay? You're gonna see some really cool content, so make sure you guys go subscribe to that channel. This is so good. Peach, strawberry, spike, spritzer. Wow. This is delicious. Super good. Wow, look at this. This looks so good. Tacos. I got chicken sandwich. Wait till you ask me again. That's a really nice car. Look at that sunset. Look how beautiful Naples is. The amount of people that those two cars over there bring. Everyone is just staring at that car. Beach. This is so cool. I like it. People are out here fishing on a Tuesday morning or afternoon, better yet. But the water is so pretty. Do you agree? Some snacks here. Enjoying the views and the boat ride today. It's so pretty out here in Naples, Florida. Love it, guys. It's amazing. Check this out. And we're back, baby. Welcome to Ferrari of Naples. The amazing lineup here at Ferrari of Naples. That is freaking beautiful. Those wheels are freaking epic. This is a sexy fucking car, for sure. There goes a Ferrari Roma over there. But yeah, there you go. 812 super fast. That is so freaking beautiful. I love it. I have a Formula One car. Very nice. And then this is so cool, dude. 600 of these in the world. That's amazing. Maserati MC20. But check this out. Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate here. This is big. Wow. Oh yes, the little cute little cups you have going on over here. I'll just take his. Your water is signature. See, this is why I like this Ferrari water. It's expensive water right here. It's made in Italy. Come on, man. Yeah, love it, brother.